right, big news coming in. The India bloc wants to now go ahead legally against irregularities in election procedure and the EVM SOP. This is big. The India Bloc Alliance has gone ahead with regard to the electronic voting machines and the election procedure. They will be filing a petition in the Supreme Court by Friday against what they are alleging are irregularities and misconduct in Maharashtra elections. Names of voters, they are saying, were deleted. It was added also later in different ways until 3 days before the election and the polling that was done. They are saying we have the data to back our claim that the names have been deleted, added in the voter list in Maharashtra. The SOP on EVM and VVPAT were not followed in Maharashtra election. Arvind Kejriwal also, remember, shared how there was an attempt to delete over 11,000 voters from a Delhi constituency and it was made on the BJP leaders' applications. Action is also being taken, as they say, is because of what happened in Maharashtra and Haryana, the two states, of how it in many ways changed for the Congress party. They lost eventually Maharashtra and Haryana. They are alleging that there has been misgivings with regard to EVM.
वही एक घंटे शरद पवार, अरविंद केजरीवाल, सप्पल साहब, ये सब, अभिषेक मनु सिंघवी भी अंदर जी, क्या चर्चा हुई है?
देखिए, महाराष्ट्र में जो धांधली हुई है इलेक्शन को लेकर, उसके ऊपर गए 10-15 दिन से काफी चर्चा हो रही है। वो सारी बातें लेकर हमने पवार साहब के सामने 2 दिन पहले बात रखी थी और महाराष्ट्र के जो हमारे उम्मीदवार हारे और जिन्होंने ईवीएम और वीवीपैट गिनती के लिए अर्जी लगाई है, पैसे जमा किए, जैसे मैंने 13 लाख रुपए जमा किए, वो सारे यहाँ पर हाजिर थे, जिसमें ये बात तय हो गई कि हमारे पास जो एविडेंस है ईवीएम और वीवीपैट टेम्परिंग की, वो सबूत हमने सामने रखे। अभी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के आदेशों के ऊपर महाराष्ट्र की 288 ने क्या कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में 3 दिन पहले तक नए नाम ऐड किए गए, जो उनके खिलाफ वोटिंग जा सकती थी वो काटे गए, वो सारे एविडेंस हमने रखे। थर्ड थिंग जो है कि जहाँ पे एमवीए के या इंडिया फ्रंट के बाजू से वोट हो सकता है, वहाँ पे मशीन स्लो की गई, उसके रिकॉर्डिंग बाकायदा हमारे पास है।
कोर्ट में पिटीशन दायर कर रहे हैं
100%, और ये पिटीशन हम लोग नॉट ओनली एमवीए, इंडिया फ्रंट के द्वारा कर रहे हैं। अगले 2 दिन में सारे सबूत उनके सामने रखकर वो जुटाकर फ्राइडे हम लोग अपेयर करेंगे, ये बात नक्की हो गई।
All right, let's try and understand this more. What does this mean? My colleague Rahul Gautam closely tracks the India bloc, especially the Congress party. Rahul, tell me this, because what I fail to understand is that it was the JMM Congress that won in Jharkhand. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra won with a massive landslide in Wayanad. And yet the Congress party of the India bloc believes that in Maharashtra, because they lost, that there was some tampering with the EVM and the election procedure. Why is that and what are they doing about it?
Pooja, the day results were announced for Maharashtra and Jharkhand. From the very beginning, Congress party is maintaining that the mandate has been stolen from them in Maharashtra, and in order to console them, the state of Jharkhand was given to them, and they've been maintaining this. And now they are taking this to the very doorstep of the apex court. We've been informed that now India bloc will be taking the issue of tampering of EVMs and also the discrepancies in voter lists and how votes were added after 5 p.m., how voting percentage had gone up after 5 p.m. So all these issues will now be taken up by India bloc to Supreme Court. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, a very noted lawyer and Congress MP, will be taking the charge. He'll be representing the India bloc petition. So clearly it seems that as far as at least Maharashtra is concerned, the India bloc is speaking in one voice, and it is becoming a sort of a rallying point to come on board on a single platform to take on the government. But we have to really understand that they are getting support from Delhi also, because Arvind Kejriwal, in fact, he also raised that how the voter lists are being altered, how names are being dropped, how new names are being added to favor one political party. So you can say that the India bloc is increasing the heat on this issue. However, we all know that ECI has already rejected all these allegations, and in fact, we have put out a record also that how votes were added and how they've been, the numbers that have gone up, they've come up with clarifications. But obviously, India bloc
Rahul, keep tracking that, because it looks like they're taking it up legally, and that means they're going all out to ensure that, because they believe that there was some tampering, and eventually it will be about the data. When you take it up legally means you will have enough statistics and data backing you, and perhaps that's what the Congress believes. They have it with them.